Hey, what's up, you guys? I know I've been missing in action lately, but long story short, and I know you're here for this delicious dish, but I really appreciate it if you're still subscribing my channel. But if you're not already, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below. So here you're gonna need 10 pieces of large shrimp, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 cloves of garlic, and of course our vodka. I used 1/3 of a cup, 1 and 1.5 cup marinara sauce, 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of dry basil, and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, optional if you want it spicy. And don't forget our salt and pepper to taste. So first we have to saute our shrimp till they're halfway done and just set them aside for later, like so. After you set aside your shrimp, in the same oil, you can start sauteing your garlic until they golden brown. When your garlic is nice and golden brown, you can add your vodka. And please be sure that don't get drunk because you still have to finish this dish. Okay? Yeah, I'm dead serious. Okay, so after you get drunk, after you put the vodka down, okay, after you add the vodka, just let it simmer for about a minute or so, and then you can add your marinara sauce and your heavy cream. Here I'm just adding my chili flakes and dried basil and salt and pepper to taste, and let it simmer for about another minute. And don't forget to stir it if you're not drunk already. Oh, yeah, I have to stop right. When your sauce is ready, we can add our shrimp and let it simmer for about a minute until our shrimp is fully cooked. When your shrimp is ready, you can add your pasta and be sure that your pasta is fully coated with that goodness. Yep, that goodness, because guys, this sauce is just really good. It's the bomb. Like, I recommend it to you guys. So be sure to try it, and you will not gonna regret it. It's so easy, simple, but it's so delicious. So there you go, guys. I hope you're gonna try it because I know you're gonna enjoy it. And thank you so much for watching my videos, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button down below, and have a good day. Bye.